Hey everyone, it's Variel here at Tekmetric, and I'm going to show you guys the cool new features coming out in 3.4. So to start, I'm going to navigate to the Appointments section and click onto a custom event appointment. Here you will find that you will now be able to add a customer to a custom event appointment by clicking the Add Customer button. In the window that appears, you can either add a brand new customer or search for a customer from within your customer list. Once you select your customer, you can go ahead and click Save, or if you would like to take an extra step, you can go ahead and add a vehicle associated with the customer, or a brand new vehicle if it is not available in the drop-down. You will also be able to update the title of your appointment and color. Once you update the title of your appointment, you are going to go ahead and click Save. When you click Save, the customer and vehicle will be linked to the appointment. Another appointment enhancement that we have is you can now update the customer on an existing appointment. Please keep in mind you can only update the customer on an appointment if there isn't a repair order linked. You will do so by clicking the edit pencil on the customer informations table and selecting Change Customer. You will then go ahead and search for the new customer you want to actually link to this appointment with the updated vehicle, and you'll update the title to however you see fit. Once you update the title, you are going to go ahead and click Save, and you will find the new customer is now linked to this appointment. Another feature that we are releasing in 3.4 is actually job history. You will now be able to find job history within your customer's profile and not need to create a repair order for it. If the customer has more than one associated vehicle, you can actually search for this vehicle here. This search engine does function like a filter, so if I go ahead and type in Lexus, it will only show me job history for the Lexus. We've also added the Save for Later jobs associated with the vehicles as well. You will find Save for Later jobs within the job history of the customer's profile, and if there is an open repair order for the customer, under Job History, you will also be able to find your Save for Later and add them to the estimate. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.